Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2017 F-150 XLT in ruby red metallic, black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine, it's a 4x4, and it has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, a trailer tow package, which includes an integrated trailer brake controller. As well, you have a reverse camera, and the XLT Sport package, which includes the sport cloth seating, center console, and dark grille. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you're seeing that nice all-weather mat for easy cleanup. You have power pedals, lighting controls. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the aid of your running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and you also have a menu that you can toggle through. So we're going to go through there: display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing a little cubby to put items, hill descent, traction control, hazard lights. You have a touch screen. We can go home there. We just saw the map for the navigation. We can go into audio, go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. As well, we have our settings. You can slide through there for Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And when we go into navigation, as I mentioned, you'll see your map. But as well, when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There we go. Volume and tuner. There's your CD player, your climate control with AC and max AC, as well heated seats for the comfort of both driver and passenger, front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. In your cubby, couple USB outlets. You can just press the center and it'll close right up for you. There we go. Automatic select shifter, and then you have tow haul in sport, and it'll appear to the right of the odometer reading. There's tow haul, then S for sport, and off again. You also have a couple of cup holders, and then your armrest opens up. Lots of room in here. You've got a little bin, you can take that out. There's a 12-volt down there, and plenty of storage. Off to the side, 12 volt and a 110. You also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, as well your lighting controls, sunglass holder. You have a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that's for. And there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, magnetic colored running board, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below the camera is your backup, or just below the handle is your backup camera, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open it all up, simply put your hand in the latch. You've got a nice spray-in liner with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And there's also a tailgate step, making it easier to get in and out of that box. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and then pull the clip, it'll bring it right down. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and you have extra carpeted mats there. In the center, a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110, and USB outlets, air vents on each side. There's a grab handle in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window, and you have rear defrost. Body colored bumper, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.